Welcome to my morning routine, realistic morning routines. When I wake up, I first always go brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I come back and make my bed, as you guys saw. And then I do my skincare routine. Ow, just my hair. Anyways, and then I do my skincare routine so that I don't look oily all day, brush my hair, so I don't look like this all day, basically. So I am going to now do my skincare routine, brush out my eyelashes, brush out my hair, and then I will make my coffee, make my breakfast, and do some homework, you know, all the fun stuff. Also, I do have a haul for you guys, so I'm super excited about that. So let's get started in my skincare routine.
Okay, so I start by brushing out my hair, of course, because it's literally in knots when I wake up. And then I get out my hyaluronic acid. I have been loving this stuff. It is so hydrating and it helps plump my skin and bring it back to life in the morning. I dropped a little bit on the ground, but it's fine. Then I moisturize it in, of course, and then I grabbed my oat gel. I got this from Walmart and I've been obsessed with it. It's like a light layer of moisturizer and I have such dry skin and it has helped so much. Then I brushed out my eyebrows and my eyelashes.
Alright, so now that I'm done with my skincare routine, I am going to change clothes to get ready for the day. Probably going to change to workout clothes because I am going to go work out. So I'm going to change and I'll be right back. Guys, I didn't want to change into my gym clothes because, roll please, I just received a package from Gymshark. So I think it's only right for me to open the package and then decide what I'm wearing. So let's open it. Yay! We love having new Gymshark pieces. Let's start out with the leggings. These are beautiful. These are the Vital Seamless leggings. I got them in like a purple. I don't remember the exact color. But look at how cute they are. They have little like details of pink in the design. I don't know if you guys can see it. Obsessed. Literally obsessed with these. Alright, so that's the first piece. I got a sports bra. So this is like a staple piece. I have been wanting this. Look, it's scrunched up in the middle and it's so pretty. Beautiful. I'm obsessed. And the back's just like this. So cute. I love it. Next up, got the bandeau sports bra. Look at how cute it is. You guys already know I'm obsessed with like bandeau sports bras, and I just had to get it in this color because it's so cute. 10 out of 10 would recommend. By the way, I got a size small in all these pieces, so just for reference. Next up, I got a set. It's the new collection they just dropped. Look, so soft, and it's the texture. It's exactly how it looks. Like the texture feels exactly how you would think it would feel, if that makes sense. Guys, can you guys tell what I mean? I told you it was a set, so let me get the top. So this is the top. A little crop top, but the thing is, that's not all. That's not all that this top is. Because look at the back. Are you joking? Are you joking? Look at how pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to try it on. Like right now. Be right back. Guys, this is my new favorite gym fit. Like, ever. Look, you guys need this in your life. I'm obsessed with it. Look at it. Look at that open back. Gymshark, you knew what you were doing. Let me grab my socks. Alright, got the socks on. Okay, now I'm ready to go eat breakfast. I need my coffee. So I got all these syrups from TJ Maxx, and then I got this Keurig from Walmart. Also got all these cute little mugs from TJ Maxx. And then I get all my coffee grounds from Starbucks. And I just added to my little reusable cups, which I got off of Amazon. So today I think I am going to make a iced blonde vanilla oat milk latte. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I pump 4 or 5 pumps of vanilla. I'm thinking 5. So 5 pumps of vanilla. Then I get my little reusable cup, open up my coffee grounds, and fill it up. Alright, then I close it. Now I have my little cup. Open this up. Close it. Put that. Then I click shot. Alright, then I take the cup. I am going to grab my oat milk. And then I'm going to add some ice. Ice cubes. 1. I'm gonna add some caramel drizzle because who doesn't love caramel drizzle? I'm gonna add my straw. Also, I got this whole glass and straw set from Amazon. It came in a pack of 4, and it came with even like cleaning utensils for cleaning the straw. 10 out of 10. I got this idea from Brittany Lupton, and I want to make baked like chocolate chip oats. All right, so I got all the ingredients out. Here we go. First off, I need a cup of oats, 1 cup. Nice. And then I'm gonna add a 1.5 cups of milk, because I'm just using regular 2% milk. All right, guys, my camera might die, so I might have to switch to my phone. So just a heads up if the quality switches. All right, next I'm adding a cup of peanut butter, but I'm actually gonna add cashew butter instead. So you can use whatever you want. Personal preference, I just like cashew butter more than peanut butter. Honestly, looks good. And then I am going to add 1/2 cup of syrup. Next is a teaspoon of baking powder and then a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. Perfect. And then I'm gonna mix it, and then I'll add the chocolate chips in. So I have the oven right now preset to 375, and we're gonna let it bake for 45 minutes. So this looks so good. So this is what it looks like before I pour it into the pan. It's very liquidy, so let's see. Okay. I think it has potential. All the chocolate chips are in one area. Okay, so like I said, my camera did die, so I am currently charging it while we are baking our oatmeal. And right now I am going to be working on homework because I have 1 assignment left for the week. So I'm gonna get that done today so I don't have to stress about homework. And then hopefully our baked oats will be done. All right guys, so it is about done, so I'm gonna take it out. This is the finished product. Added a little too much oil because I didn't have the spray, so that could be why it's so crispy on the outside, but other than that, it doesn't look bad. I'm gonna cut it and then see what it tastes like. So while these cool down, I am going to still work on my homework, try to get that done, and then I will try this with you guys. So yes. Okay, pause. So I just heard someone at the door. So I'm hoping it's my other Gymshark package. Ooh, it is. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so I have one more thing to show you guys. Let's open it up. All right. The Vital Seamless gym shorts. These are literally a staple, so I am so excited that they came. So I will have all of that linked below if you guys want to support me. You guys can shop through my link, which would be much appreciated. So yeah, so I just finished our homework. We're gonna try the baked oats, and then I am going to head to my parents' house to go work out. And I also wanna see my baby Nico. So my cat is at my parents' house currently because I am not at my house enough to be with him, and my mom has a cat, so they get to spend time together. I would feel bad if I just left him in this room all day, so that's why he's there. But I go and visit him every day, and I'm hoping once my schedule clears up and I'm not as busy that he'll be here with me. And yeah, so let's go try this oats. Should I just take a bite out of it? That's kind of what I'm thinking. Get some chocolate. Your first bite. Mmm. Mmm. This is really good. Mmm. Mm. Okay. I'm gonna get a plate of this. And then leave for the gym. So, yeah. I give it a 9 out of 10. And the reason it's missing 1 point is because I didn't cook it for as long as I should have. And the pan's bigger than normal. Also, I used oil instead of spray oil, which kind of made it crispy on the outside. But other than that, 9 out of 10. Beautiful. Yummy. So good. I can even meal prep it. Now I can have breakfast for a few days. Gym bag. Got it. Check. Oh, I have to switch shoes. It is, what day is it today? It is Thursday, so I'm doing chest, tri, and shoulders. So I am going to wear, I think I always wear my Adidas shoes, but they're my favorite. They're so comfortable. I think I'm gonna wear them. So don't judge me. I wear them all the time. We're ready. Shoes on, outfit, laptop, gym bag. Yes, let's get it. I'm here. Oh, there's my baby. Hi. This is my baby Nico. Okay, so I'm gonna go lay all my stuff down and then head to the gym. So this is our at-home gym. So I'm gonna turn on the music and get this workout started. And I will probably add music over top of this video so that I don't get copyrighted with the music I'm listening to. Alright guys, so I just got done with my workouts.
It was a great chest try and shoulder day. Feeling great. I can't wait to eat though, not gonna lie. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is typically what a weekday morning looks like for me. Please like, subscribe, comment, whatever you guys feel like doing. Also follow my TikTok and my Instagram if you want to. And have a great day. It is a great day to have a great day. So make the day the best that you can. All right, I love you guys. Peace out. See you guys in my next video. Bye.